Hi guys, welcome back to Linux Penny channel. If you know my number, see the number there to allow your child to join my class. Let's go. The number is 876549216. Guys, if you WhatsApp me, you don't see me respond, just send me a next WhatsApp. All right, chances are the message get pushed down the bottom and I didn't see it. All right, so just send me a next one. All right, let's go. So it says performance task, says mathematics task-based assessment, and it's for the 4-H club forming project instructions. This paper consists of 3 sections. Task 1 and 2. Our part must be completed within the space provided, and they give you the strands, measurement, geometry, and numbers, term 1 and 2. All right, so let's go. It says a 4-H farming club project. Your school wants to take a 4-H club project. The principal, Mr. Jones, along with the 4-H club, has decided to farm crops. The school has sufficient land space and has identified a plot of land on which to plant the crops. Before planting can begin, the school will be required to 1. Submit outline of a rectangular plot of land to be shared among various crops. 2. State the expected area of the land for each crop. And 3. Calculate the cost associated with the starting project. All right, so the dimension of the crop used should be 60 square meters. All right, and remember it should be rectangular shape. All right, so let's go. It says task 1, which is crop selection. The table below shows the 3 types of seeds available for purchase and the area of land each pack of seeds required to grow. All right, let's go. So corn is, the cost is $100 per pack. Area needed per pack is 1 meter square, and cabbage is $200 per pack. And the area needed for pack per pack is 1 meter squared, while melon costs $150 and it's 2 meters square per pack. And that's the area needed. All right, so that's the amount of space. So 1 pack will take 1 pack of corn will take a space of 1 meter square. All right, let's move on. So it says for the 4-H club farming project, area of land should be shared among the crop is 60 meters square. And they also said there is to be 5 or more packs of seed planting for each. So you cannot plant less than 5 for each. 5 is the minimum you can use. All right. All right. This one says complete the table to show the number of pack seeds you need to plant and the area is needed for the crop. Bear in mind, we cannot go less than 5. So what I'm going to be doing, I think I want to plant 15 packs of corn, 15 packs of so we need, all right, so basically the area, since it's 1 meter square per, since it's 1 meter per pack, for 15, it will be 15 times 1. So this is going to take up a space of 15 meters square. This one also for the cabbage, it's 1 meter per pack. So you have 15 packs, so it would be 15 meters square also. All right, so that means we have a total of 30 meters squared use up. But remember, it's 60 meters. We're supposed to have a maximum space of 60. So we already use up 30. So we have 30 meters square left based on that. So what we need to do now is to say, all right, how many melon can be planted with the balance? Now, based off that, we have 1 pack takes 15, takes 2 meters square. So what we have to do is to divide 30 that is left by 2. So that would leave 15 packs of melon, and that will give us 30 meter square. Notice when we add these numbers, we should get back the 60 So this gives us 60 meters square. So we completed that task. Let's go. So it's 15 by 15 by 15. It says now, outlining the farm. The 4-H leader reveals that there are 40 meters of fencing material available to enclose the 60 meters square. So notice what they say, you only have 40 meters of fencing, no more than that, to enclose the 60-meter plot of land. Outline the farm, the grid below, include the different section of the crop, that's task 1 above. All right, and it says also it should be 60 meters square for the area. So the length can only be 60. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna list all the multiples of 60. And then we can make a decision based on that, right? Because it has to be 2 numbers multiplied to give you 60, right? But guess what? The perimeter can be no more than 40. So let's go. So we have 5 times 12 and 6 times 10. So basically, we have these options in terms of multiplication. If you multiply all of these numbers, we get 60. However, we have to bear in mind that the perimeter, right? So it's a rectangle and we need the perimeter. Now, the perimeter for this one would be 60 and 60, 120. So that's a 122. So we can eliminate this because it cannot pass 40, right? The perimeter for this will be 30 and 30, 60. And that, yeah, we can't deal with you. 20 and 20, 40, and 3, 6, 46. We can't deal with you. So it can be this, right? 15 and 15. That is 30, and this gives us 38. However, let us see if we have 15 go across, because that's the length, right? Or down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we could use 4 by 15 if we wanted. We could also use 5 by 12 because if you add 12 and 12, that's 24 plus 10, 34. All right. And 6 by 10, 10 and 10, 20, 6 and 6, 12. So that the perimeter would be 32. So it should be no greater than 40. So only these 3 dimensions can use. So for this video, I'm going to use the 4 by 15. And then for the next video, I do the 5 by 12. Here comes the rain again. All right, so we go across. Length is going to be 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Why am I get? Let me check them. These are the easiest way to do it, guys. Ensure that it's 15. All right, so I should go right across to get our 15. All right. And then it's 4 by 15. So we're gonna go down by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this would give us an area of 60. And also the perimeter does not exceed 40. All right, so here we have it. Don't even understand why I'm not draw the line straight. In class, I did it much better, so I'm not sure what's happening with me now. All right, so we have that now. So basically now, they said that we are supposed to put in the measurement. So this is 15. This is 4. This is also 15. And this is 4. So we have a rectangle. with the area is 60 and the perimeter does not reach 40. So it's 15 and 15, 30. And this 4 and 4 make 8. So we have 38. So that we have completed that. It also said the section of each crop. Now let's go back up to the table to see what we had choose for each crop. Now it's 15 corns. 15 meters occupies the corn. So we can see that the top one is corn. I'm gonna kind of color code it for the corn. Which color you want to use? Corn or yellow, right? So I could use yellow. Are that a yellow though, or this? But I mean, not even know what color, you know, guys. But anyway, I could design this for the corn. So we're gonna have a total of 15 meters square. So the entire top would be for the corn. So we can identify our corn section right here. All right, next we have the same 15 meters square for the other one, which is the cabbage. So cabbage is green, so I could get some green. And guys, ensure that you're having your greens in your diet, you know what I mean? Not just chicken. Get some greens in your diet. All right, so I could get some greens now. And that is also 15, so we can get one of this, one row also, because this is 15 across. So obviously it's 3 crop, so the rest would be for the melon. Melon, we're gonna use red, because when you cut the inside of a melon, it's red. As my student was saying, sir, will I be able to carry the crayons? I don't know. If you know, you can leave a comment on that. If students are allowed to take their crayon. What I would suggest, you carry your crayon. If them say you can't, you just leave it, right? But better you take it with you. I don't know. All right, so this would be something. And that's it. We have completed our task and it's very easy, don't it? Tell the truth, guys. It wasn't hard. So what we could do is to label each one. Melon. This one was what? Oh, cabbage and corn, cabbage and corn. So this a cab and this a corn. And we label them and we go and we get all full marks. If you can do that, guys, Campion is calling you. All right, he said use the table below to show the perimeter of the plot of land. So basically, we are required to show the perimeter. We actually had calculated already. Now the perimeter means the total distance around. So it's gonna be 15 plus 15 and then 4 plus 4, which works out to 38. So for the perimeter, it works out to 38 meters. Notice I don't have no square on it because it's length. It's the total length. If you should walk around it, the entire building, it's 38 meters. All right. And guys, I didn't mention the key, but it was given for 1 meter square for 1 box. So we definitely know that we're on the right path. All right. If they give you 2 meters for 2 box for 1 meters, we know say we do 2 box for 1. All right. So there we have it. Let's move on to the second task. It says the 4-H club has to prepare a budget to support the farming project. How much money was spent purchasing the pack of seeds? So let us recall the prices and we could go back up here so and get them. No joke thing, you know, guys. So first we had the corn. I think we had cabbage. And the other one was a melon. So let us look at the different prices. The unit cost is what one pack costs. Now they gave us what I'm just trying to recall. So the cost was 100, 200, 150. All right, so it's 100, 200, 150. So the corn is 100, this one is 200, and this one is 150. All right, so for each, how many packs we bought? We had bought 15 packs of this. So we're gonna multiply this by 15. Multiply that, guys, and tell me in the comment section. 15 also, and this one was 15. Now if we multiply by 100, we just add the zeros, right? So it would be 1500. Now this, if we multiply by 200, we're basically doubling it, so it would be 3000. And for this one now, it would be 1500 for the 100 times this, and then a half, which is 50 times the 15, which is the half of this, which is 750. So all we have to do now is add this. So that's 5, 2, 1. So that's 2250. So we need to total this, which is 0, 5, 2157, and 206. So the total cost would be 6,750. And we have completed the task. Let's see if there's anything else. Oh, they did say the number of packs of corn. So how many corns we had bought? 15. And the total cost would have been $1,500 based on that. We had bought 15 packs of cabbage, and the cost would have been 201. So that's 3,000. So we're just putting back the information here. Not sure why they're asking you guys that again. Melon, we had bought 15 packs also, and it works out to 2,250. So the total would be 6,750. I don't think they should penalize you guys for that. The total bought was what, 45? So it should have been 45 packs in all. And there we have it. I think that's about it. I will be doing a similar video to this, but with different dimension. Thank you guys so much for watching. And for the persons who want to join my class for September, guys, you have to do summer school with me, all right? Because I have a number of students already. They're pretty advanced, and for you to come in grade 6 with them, it's gonna be a bit rough because they would have been way ahead. So guys, ensure you sign up for the summer classes, and we can definitely, normally, you know, have very cheap rates so everybody can afford. So make the call, send the WhatsApp, and then we can take it from there. All right, this is Not Spend It, I'm out, no doubt. See you guys in another video.